Hey Justin, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to discuss infinity water restoration. But before we get into that, let's dive in and get kind of a glimpse of the different ways on how you could be found on Google. So with that, let's get started. So let's just say, for instance, we type in water damage restoration San Antonio. Now, let's take a quick look at one of the main things is the sponsored area up here on the top. You also have the second way to be found would be in the Google Business Profile, which we call the Map Pack area. And these three positions here, 30% of your business can be acquired through here using citations and also profile optimization. If you go down here, the third way you can be found is these three slots here, where 70% of your business can be acquired. So in order to get here, you need to optimize your website organically. So with that being said, those are the three different ways on how you can be found. And if you're not up in these positions, you might be leaving some money on the table. So with that, let's get to it. So infinity water restoration. May I add, you have a very unique logo. You have, it looks like some clickables here. So let's take a scroll down and let's look at your content real quick. Now, from the looks of it, all right, got some decent amount of content and it stops there. Okay, so what Google really looks for in the content area is about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content. Now, for every 250 words, Google looks for keywords embedded in those. So keep that in mind when you do build out your page for content. So with that being said, you got about maybe 50 words to 100 of content, 50 to 100 words of content, which can definitely beef up the content section of your website. Now let's take a quick look at your competitor. Here's United Water Restoration. They're at the top in this area for San Antonio. So they do have some drop downs here. Let's take a quick look as we scroll down. Okay. All right. Now I do not see, I'm taking a mental note, I do not see any keywords embedded inside their content here. So looks like they got maybe 500, 600, 700 words of content here, which I mean, definitely we do what they're doing and then some will beat these guys at content. So with that being said, that's about all Google looks for as far as content goes. Now let's take a quick look at an overview of your backlink profile. So when you type in Infinity Water Restoration, this is what your backlink profile looks like. Looks like you have no traffic going to your website. And keep in mind, when you invest in your website, it's kind of like a digital ATM, so you want it to work for you. And that's probably the best thing that would work for your website. So it looks like you got some keywords here. So you got 6 of them. So let's see your keywords here. All right, so it looks like you're using all 6 keywords organically, which is good. So this number here, it's got to match this one, because usually on some of them, some people will use like maybe say, for an example, 6 out of 2 or 2 out of 6. So say 2 of them are working for the website. So all 6 of yours are working. This is the volume that you're getting for each of these keywords. Now let's take a quick overview of your competitor, United Water Restoration. Now this is their strength and trust. Kind of match it with yours. You got pretty much 0 strength, 7 trust. And look at their traffic, 13.5 thousand traffic. Wow. That's pretty amazing as far as traffic goes. Now, with proper SEO backlinking and doing what they do and then more, we could definitely blow these guys out of the water and get you all this traffic. So, in a nutshell, that's pretty much it as far as backlinking goes, along with keywords. So let's just do a quick recap on what we covered. Okay, so 3 ways you could be found, like we mentioned earlier. Your sponsored Google ads here. The second way is 30% of your business, which is your Google business profile up here, along with 100% optimization with organic citations. You want to make sure to put the right ones in. And 70% of your business down here in the organic section. So United takes the top lead for water damage restoration, San Antonio. So with that, I hope this information was useful to you. If you happen to need a guide to help you in this, please feel free to call me. My name is Joshua, 505-331-7995. With Peterson SEO, you can reach me, Joshua, Joshua at petersonseoconsulting.com. With that being said, I hope the rest of your day is good to you and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you and bye-bye.